shining stars of this division are here in Chicago. Let's go.
The opponents, first wrestling out of Long Island, New York, Willow, Nightingale.
Here we go, folks. It's Star Attraction here in Chicago. Tag team action. Ready for this match. That's the Honor. Willow Nightingale in Ring of Honor.
Her partner, wrestling out of Chicago, Illinois, Skye.
And Skye Blue. And Willow Nightingale. I'll tell you what, Caprice. Two women that have arguably pushed Athena to different places, different limits, different gears than the world champion has ever had to fight from in different ways. Two of the future and present here at Ring of Honor go against, you could say the same for the Renegades, Robin and Charlotte.
Yeah, I like Robin and Charlotte as tag team. They're great in singles and tag team competition.